What's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing you an ammo stockpile grab. Today I got my ammo from Gander Mountain. I got this Federal English automatic 22 long range, 125 rounds, 40 grains. Ideal for semi-autos. 40 grains. Target grade accuracy, optimized for semi-automatic files. Excellent choice for action target shooting. Where's the 40 grain? 40 grain, 40 grain. Somewhere there. 40 grain solid velocity, 120 feet, 1200 feet per second. Every shot counts. Pick these one. I only can grab one at a time. My friend came with me. I managed to get two for a bad price. Got this. I got one of them for $24.99 plus tax, so $26.99. You can buy 100 packs for. You can get 200 rounds for $20-something. So it's a great fucking deal. Said you can only, it's one box per person. I got them today, 2/6/16. Yeah. Right now, got 650 more rounds in my stockpile, which is not bad at all. Not bad at all. But this is your boy, Federal. What's my name? I don't know my name right now. But what was my name? Something Camel, but it'll be up there. I just put the YouTube up there. Don't remember what it was, but tune in next time, man. This is my second time out for 22 this year. Got a couple scores early in the year, about 400 rounds of golden bullets. I got over 100 rounds this year so far of 20 gauge shells. I didn't get much 308 this year yet. But let's not go through my guns because I don't want people to know what guns I have. But I'll tell you my 22 ammo. Everybody should have a 22 by now, but you know, 325 round packs. Great freaking shoot. Never didn't shoot these yet. I'm gonna seal it. This one's kept forever. I wish I could get a whole case of these, but it's one per box. One box per person. So I don't know how many comes in the case. Probably quite a bit. $26.99 for one box. Great deal. Peace.